Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Miss Hino's Lego Robotics. Super excited today because I'm bringing you guys Marble Run number 3. And it's going to be viewers versus viewers. Let me explain what I mean by that. Instead of just saying, the green crazy looking marble, it's going to be named after viewers. So if you don't remember, in my community tab, I just said, hey, do you guys want to have a marble named after you? So now instead of the, crazy blue marble, it's going to be named after people like Steve and Yannick and Faiza. So today it's going to be the viewers versus the viewers. So if you want to see this marble run, stay with me. And after watching this video, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Come on, I know you can do it. And what's more exciting today is I'm bringing you a new twist to the marble run. It's going to be the Tower of Doom. It's a really cool twist, and it's going to just make the marbles getting to the finish line just a little bit less, how should I say, easy. It's just going to be an obstacle where the marbles will just have to navigate the Tower of Doom. So I'll show you that in a second. So today there's going to be 8 marbles, and like I said, they're all named after viewers like you. So just a reminder again to always be checking Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics community tab, because I threw that out a week ago just asking, hey, do you want a marble named after you? And a good amount of people responded, but I was hoping that 8 people would respond. So just a reminder to check my community tab, because it just gives you updates on videos, when they're going to come out, contests, and definitely things like today where you get to have a marble named after you. So again, today it's just going to be 4 against 4, tournament style until there's a champion. So basically, now what I'm going to do is introduce you to the Tower of Doom, introduce you to the 8 viewers and their marbles, and then we're going to get this tournament rolling, okay? So let's go to the Tower of Doom. Okay, let me introduce you to the Tower of Doom. I love this feature because it's going to make the marbles work a little tougher to get to the end of the track here. So basically what's going to happen is when the program starts, the Tower of Doom is going to flip over these 4 long blue connectors and basically land on the track. Some of them might pop off, but that's going to be the randomness about this. And if the marble hits it, it's going to impede its path to get to the end here. So it's going to be a cool little feature. Let me go ahead and demonstrate this. So when the program starts, let me start this program. It will basically dump the pieces onto the track, and depending on, where the blue connector is, it will be an obstacle for the marble to get to the end. So everybody, that is the Tower of Doom. Okay, everybody, let me go ahead and introduce the 8 contestants today in Mr. Hino's final Marble Run 3. And they're going to all represent the countries that they're from. So here we go. We have Connor from South Africa. We have Charles from Kenya. We have Mike from Egypt. We have Steve from the United States. We have Sarthak from India. We have Abdul from Dubai. We have Faiza from Nigeria. And we have Yannick from Germany. Let's give it up for all of our contestants today in Mr. Hino's final Marble Run 3. Okay, everybody, in today's first heat, we have Connor from South Africa versus Charles from Kenya. So marbles, take your spots. Okay, everybody, there is the Tower of Doom. There is Connor and Charles ready at the starting blocks. Remember, again, this is going to be best 2 out of 3. So the first one to win 2 will move on. Here we go. And Charles takes the first heat. Okay, we have heat number 2. We have swapped spots. Here we go. Oh, the Tower of Doom. Got one of them on there. And Connor takes heat number 2. Okay, everybody, this is the final heat between Connor and Charles. Winner will take all here because it's tied 1-1. Here we go. And Connor will take it and move on. Okay, congratulations to Connor. He will be moving on and going up against the winner of the Mike versus Steve match. So here we go. Mike from Egypt versus Steve from the United States for match number 2. Okay, we have Mike and Steve ready to go in the starting blocks. So here we go. Tower of Doom is ready. And Steve takes heat number 1. Okay, we have swapped spots. Steve has taken heat number 1. Here we go. Heat number 2. And Mike wins the second heat. We're going to have to go to a sudden death one right here. Okay, just like Connor and Charles, this heat is going to go to the final heat right here. So Mike and Steve are tied 1. Winner will move on to go up against Connor. Here we go. And Mike will take it for Egypt. Okay, so there you go. Connor and Mike will go up against each other in the next round. But now we're going to be headed to the second bracket over here. So we have Sarthak versus Abdul. Here we go. Okay, here we go. The match versus Sarthak from India and Abdul from Dubai. Sarthak would be in the clear or yellowish, and Abdul will be here in the light blue. Here we go. Heat number 1. Ooh, the Tower of Doom got them on there. And Abdul wins heat number 1. Okay, in that first heat, Sarthak's marble actually came off the track. Check this out. Okay, so we're ready for heat number 2. Here we go. And Sarthak comes to tie this match up. Okay, so this is so crazy. The first 3 matches have gone to the final end here. So this is going to be winner take all. Again, we have Abdul right here in the blue and Sarthak in the clear yellowish marble. Winner takes all here. So here we go. And Abdul takes the match. Okay, congratulations to Abdul from Dubai. Is going to move on and play the winner of the Faiza from Nigeria versus Yannick match. So without further ado, let's get those guys rolling. Okay, here we have our 4th match. Yannick from Germany is going to be in the red. Faiza from Nigeria is going to be in the green. Here we go, first heat. And Yannick takes the first heat. Okay, we have swapped spots. Again, Yannick in the red, Faiza in the green here. Heat number 2. And Faiza takes heat number 2. Okay, this is so crazy. The first 4 heats have gone to all the way to the end here. So this is going to be it. Winner takes all. Yannick in red, Faiza in green. Winner moves on. And Faiza wins. All right, here we go. Mr. Hino's Marble Run 3, viewers versus viewers. This is the semi-finals. So here we go. Connor from South Africa versus Mike from Egypt. That'll be our first match. And then Abdul from Dubai and Faiza from Nigeria will be our second match. Winners will go on to the finals. I'm so excited. Here we go. All right, here we go. Heat number 1, the Connor versus Mike match. Connor's here in blue and Mike's in the yellow. Heat number 1. Let's go, Tower of Doom. And Connor takes heat number 1. Okay, will this match be like all the other matches and go to the final end here, or will Connor take it in 2? We will find out right now. So Connor again is in blue, Mike is here in the yellow. Tower of Doom, do your stuff. Ooh, they are all on the track. And Mike takes heat number 2. This is absolutely crazy, guys. Another match that has gone to the last final heat here. So Mike and Connor are tied 1 apiece. Connor again's in blue, Mike's in yellow. Winner goes on to the finals. And Connor wins. Connor's going to move on to the finals. Okay, congratulations to Connor from South Africa. Is going to move on to the finals. Now let's go ahead to Abdul versus Faiza. The winner will go on to meet Connor in the finals. Woo, so excited. Here we go. Okay, Abdul is right here in the light blue, Faiza in the green. This is heat number 1. And Faiza takes heat number 1, barely. Okay, we're ready for heat number 2. My prediction is Abdul's going to win this one just because every other match has had the person who won the first one lose the second one. But anything can happen here. Here we go, heat number 2. Ooh, we got 3 blue connectors on the track. Ooh, and Faiza wins the second heat. Okay, everybody, here we go. Mr. Hino's Marble Run 3 viewers versus viewers finals with the Tower of Doom. And it's going to be Connor from South Africa versus Faiza from Nigeria. Best out of 3. So excited. Here we go. Tower of Doom is ready. Connor again in blue, Faiza here in green. Heat number 1. Oh, look at those blue connectors right there on the front. And Faiza takes heat number 1. Okay, everybody, here we go. Heat number 2. If Faiza wins this, he is the Mr. Hino's Marble Run 3 viewers versus viewers overall champ. If Connor wins, we will go to a tiebreaker. So excited. Here we go. Tower of Doom is ready. Oh, we're going to have to go to the review for that one. Okay, after further review, Connor won heat number 2. I'm going to go ahead and show you a still enlarged picture that I took of the finish line. Okay, which is super exciting because now that sets up a final match. The winner takes everything here, and the winner will be the champ of the Mr. Hino Marble Run 3 viewers versus viewers tournament here. So this will be it. Winner takes the final match here. Here we go. And Connor wins the entire tournament. Great job, Connor from South Africa. Okay, everybody, let's give it up for Connor from South Africa. The blue marble. Beautiful job, Connor. Thank you for participating and letting us use your name and your country in this Marble Run 3 viewers versus viewers. So great job, Connor. Overall champion. Okay, everybody, give it up for Connor from South Africa. Connor, beautiful job. And it must be proud to have your marble, and you and South Africa be the champions of Mr. Hino's marble run number 3. So today, guys, I just want to, I labeled this as my last marble run. I try not to let necessarily the views dictate what I do, but I've just been noticing that marble run number 2 just didn't get that many views. And then, I can also use these pieces from the marble run for other things. So unless I get flooded with a boatload of, wait a minute, Mr. Hino, we love the marble run. Can you do more? Can you do more? I'm just going to basically take this guy apart and just start doing other things. So I'm going to actually sit back and wait. I won't take this apart just yet. I'm going to wait and see what happens in the comment sections. If you guys overwhelmingly want to see more marble runs and different, twists to it, if you want to have a chance of having a marble and you named after, your country too, that's something I can do, but I'm going to wait to hear from you guys. If I hear crickets, I'm going to be like, well, they want to move on. Mr. Hino will move on and we'll do something else. It's nothing that you guys need to feel bad about. It's just, I always let the views dictate whether you guys are interested or not. And I always want to do what you guys are interested in. So if we want to move a different direction, then that's the way we're going to go. Okay, guys, so hopefully you liked marble run number 3. Connor, great job again from South Africa, and everybody else, all the other 7. It was awesome. Thank you for volunteering that I can use your name and the marbles, and they ran and they represented you and your country. So it was just a cool thing, kind of had that Olympic feel to it. Okay, guys, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.